Alrighty, Ken, here you go. 2 boxes, tier 1. Dang, forgot my knife. Alright, here we go. Good luck, brother. Ooh, thinny. I like it. Ooh, I think double thinny? One's a little thinner than the other, I think, so you might have a redemption? It's close. Let's start with this one. Yep, ooh, redemption time. Oh boy, there are some big redemptions in here. Good luck. Isaac Galloway to 250. Rookie auto. Next, Albert Pujols. Relic. And... ooh, this is going to be pretty. This is going to be one of the cases with the black background, bronze ink, Yadier Molina. Fight me if you want, one of the best catchers of all time, Yadi. And he does not sign a lot. That is a card, in my opinion. Hold that. Man, seriously, that his autos are so scarce compared to most Major League players because he's been super, I don't call it stingy, but like, doesn't sign very often. Number to 150, Jose Ramirez. Nice, Tribe. Jose Ramirez. 399, Alex Bregman. Beauty, Juan Gonzalez. So Ken, very nice. Congrats on the Yachty. Hey, why not? One more Father's Day. We gotta keep celebrating. See what happens here. Never know what you're gonna get. Ryan O'Hearn, rookie to 199. Ken, there you have it. Uploading that now for you.